Today we'll show you how to install the steering wheel and pedals for your racing table. First, we will receive a carton. Open the carton and take out the accessories inside. This is a steering wheel base, a steering wheel, a foot pedal, and a racing car. The car also has a spare battery. This is the battery charger. This is a safety bag for battery charging. Here are the accessories needed for installing the steering wheel and pedals on the racing table. This is the foot pedal, racing car, racing steering wheel base, steering wheel. This is a charger. This is the battery. This is a safety bag for battery charging. This is the power cord. This is the cable that connects the power cord to the steering wheel. Now let's install the steering wheel first. Here are the screws that hold the steering wheel. Snap the steering wheel into the base. Then screw a screw on both sides to fix it. So the steering wheel is installed. Now let's teach you how to connect the steering wheel to the foot pedal. First, find the tools you need. A hand drill, a twist drill with a diameter of 1 centimeter. This is for opening holes. This is a hex wrench with a diameter of 0.5 centimeter. This wrench is used to screw this hex screw. This is a 2.5 centimeters hole opener. The racing table needs to be wired. And then we take the pedal out. The blue pedals move the car forward. The yellow foot pedal controls the car to retreat. Then use two long screws and a short screw fastens the foot pedal to the bottom plate. Blue foot pedal right side, 15 centimeters from the edge of the base plate. Bottom position, 5 centimeters from the edge. Fix the bottom of the foot pedal with short screws. Long screws fix the top of the foot pedal. And the other foot pedal does the same thing. Attach the yellow pedal to the base plate. Left side of the foot pedal, 15 centimeters from the edge of the base plate. Bottom position, 5 centimeters from the edge. Fix under the foot pedal with short screws. Long screws fix the top of the foot pedal. After fixing, take out the base plate. Mark the threading position corresponding to the foot pedal. Then punch holes with a prepared twist drill. After the hole is punched, run the line of the foot pedal through the hole. After the thread is worn, let's put the base plate aside for backup. Then use the hole opener. Punch holes below the location where the racing table base plate is installed. After punching is completed, tie a knot between the two wires of the foot pedal, or wrap it with tape and stuff it into the hole. Then use the hook to put the line of the foot pedal pulled out of the reserved hole in the racing table. Buckle up the base plate. Take out the power cord for the steering wheel. Stuff the power cord into the hole reserved for the back of the racing table. Pull it out of the hole in the racing table. Notice that there are already 3 wires here. They are 2 foot pedal wires and a power cord. Then, plug in the power cord without power on. Next, we find the connection wire between the power cord and the steering wheel. First, connect the connecting wires and power wires. Then put the power cord. The cable of the connecting cable and the foot pedal are arranged together, stuffed into the reserved cable mezzanine. All 4 steering wheel positions are the same method. Then we push this base in. After advancing, pull out the thread you just sorted out. These 2 are the wires for the foot pedal. This is the connecting cable that connects the steering wheel main board to the power cord. The connecting cable only needs to use this interface. The other 3 interfaces are not used. Next, get the installed steering wheel. Remove the main board from the steering wheel. Interface of the connecting cable. Plug it in the prominent position on the left side of the main board. Find the wires for 2 such ports in the base. Connect to the wire of the foot pedal. And here we have the markers. The thread with the sticker is connected to the thread with the sticker. Just plug it in gently. The line without the sticker is connected to the line without the sticker. So all 3 interfaces are connected. After connecting, put the main board into the steering wheel base. Then install the steering wheel base on the racing table. Center steering wheel, about 3 centimeters from the edge. It's flush with the racing table. Next, use a hex wrench and 5 long screws. Fixed steering wheel base. So the steering wheel is installed. Next, find the main power cord and plug it in. If the prompt light is on, it means that the steering wheel has been powered on. Then we put the battery on the car. Open the cover of the racing car. Connect the battery to the interface of the racing car. After connecting, insert the battery into the racing car. Close the cover and turn on the racing power switch. The indicator light flashes indicating that the car has started. Put the car on the track first. Next, we use this key close to the green logo to turn on the racing steering wheel. After the steering wheel is started, the countdown here will count down. This is 600 seconds. That is to say, after 10 minutes, the car will automatically stop. This manual switch can be used to control racing cars. Push forward and the car will run forward. Foot pedals can also be used to operate racing cars. On the right is forward, and the left is back. We have 2 racing cars with 1 steering wheel. The 2 cars can be used interchangeably. Reduce the working hours of the racing car, thereby reducing losses. Each car has a number corresponding to the steering wheel. Number 1 steering wheel controls number 1 car. Number 2 steering wheel controls number 2 car. And so on.